Are you worried that your child falls sick often? Or does your child suffer from various allergic diseases like asthma, rhinitis, atopic dermatitis, or food allergy? Unfortunately, various autoimmune and immunologic hypersensitivity disorders are on the rise. One of the possible reasons for this is the too clean environment. We killed microbes, not only those which are harmful for us, but also those which are beneficial for us. We destroyed our own microbiota. Microbiome is the collection of all the microorganisms that are in and around us. In medicine, hygiene hypothesis states that an increased exposure to microbes early in life can prevent allergic disorders later in life. So if there is no diversity in microbiota that the immune system of our children face, there is a lack in the training of the immune system that can lead to allergic disorders later on. We know that the main task of immune system is to fight against foreign bodies like viruses, bacteria. So when there are no microbes, there is nothing to fight with. The body's immune system starts to overreact to even the smallest of stimuli that it receives. It simply behaves like a child who has nothing to do. Or it starts fighting against the body's own cells. This leads to various immunologic or anaphylaxis reactions. Also, I quoted too clean environment for a reason, because when we use harmful chemicals, toxic chemicals to clean, the environment may appear to be clean, but it is just harmful in a different way, so that the child's immune system is completely baffled as to what should it do, whether to accept or reject something from the body. Also, the overuse of medications like antacids and antibiotics kill the gut biota, so it leads to gut dysbiosis. Give a like if you found this video helpful. If you want to know more about gut dysbiosis, please comment in the comment section below.